Tenho esse mar todo, todo pra olhar. Tenho as estrelas infinitas.
Why, hello there. We are on our way to the Dyson event. Papunta tayong Mega Mall. Siyempre, kasama natin si Mang Ed as always. Hello. I'm excited kasi alam nyo na I have been manifesting Dyson ever since. Although ngayon, yung event is for the Dyson Air Street, balang araw, I will watch this video and tell you, oh my God, I am working with Dyson for their vacuum. Laban. Pursley. We are done with the Lana celebration, pero papalit tayo kasi tatakbo tayo, friends.
Who here plays mobile games or video games? Let me tell you, graduation is like leveling up in a video game of life. You've unlocked new skills and are now equipped for the next epic quest of your life's video game, high school. Think of fear as a little alarm clock ringing to say, hey, get ready. This is where the real adventure begins.
Ang galante ng mga kapatid. Opulent. Sa kanila, para more like ang mga nag-surprise. Hey! Labas ng BF Resort. Mga tita. Hello po. Dahil merienda. Yes, dahil merienda. At hindi gagabihin. Itong mga tao dito lahat, siya ang nag-invite.